Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to join Telegram private channel without invite link or invite. Let's begin. So once you open up the Telegram app, you'll go to the top left corner and then select the three horizontal lines. And then you have to create a new group in order for this to work. So you can select a new group and you need to have at least one person in that group, which could be yourself or somebody else. So once you've created the accounts, you're going to select the profile icon at the top. And then you're going to go to the right side at the top and then select the pencil icon. Then you scroll down and look for something which says invite links. Now here you're going to copy the invite link. And then after you've opened your web browser, you're going to paste the link in the search bar. Now what you need to do is you need to remove the code which is after the plus sign. So you're going to remove it quickly. And then once you're done removing everything after the slash, you're going to enter the ID name of the group that you want to join. So if I put Summers after the slash, it's going to open up this group which says services. And then what you can do is you can view it in Telegram or open it in the web. And there you go. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.